Welcome to Batil Construction Limited. We want to show you this beautiful 2-bedroom bungalow in Kiambu County, and we want to show you it is now complete. We have finished everything. You can see the ceiling works and everything. We have just finished. So the area of this house, this is a 75 square meter house. The cost of this house was 2.7 million, and now you can be able to see what we have done in this project. You'll see the outside photos, how you have seen how the house looks like. Now we want to show you, this is the sitting room area. You can see how big it is. You can see the lighting, the amount of light that is coming through. We have very big windows. The client decided to have the clear window. You can see we have the clear glasses. This ensures that the amount of light that is coming into this house is 100%. You can see the tiles that have been done. This is the client's choice. I'm sorry, we have not yet finished cleaning up, but you can see the tiles. These are ceramic tiles, Twyford, the 400 by 400 tiles. You can see the type of ceiling that we now have. We have done a gypsum ceiling. This is gypsum, one level type of ceiling. You can see it is one level. We have a number of downlighters that we have, which are very beautiful. It brings another feel of lighting in this house. You can see this light. This is the pendant lights that we usually have. This is the circular light. We have it in all our bedrooms. It is very beautiful. This is what we have in this type of house. And what else can you see? The curtain rods. You can see what we have as the curtain rods. These are the ones which are bought in the shop. They come in different colors. You can see, you can have the gold one, you can have this black one, you can have a silver one, and an antique one. So it is up to you, the client. All these things are chosen by the client, from the tiles, from the glasses. Even this window design has been chosen by the client. We can now come and see the bedroom area at the kitchen. This is the kitchen space. It is open. It is open plan. You can see this is the kitchen. It is very big. It is bigger than the other houses that we do. That's why this price is quite higher kidogo. It's at 2.7 million. You can see the cabinets have been done. This is the place where we'll be having our cooker unit. This is the sink, a very big sink. We have not yet finished with the plumbing works. We'll finish up later. You can see the amount of lighting that is coming into this place. It is very, very well done. The cabinetries, we have already finished up with all the cabinets that are here. Everything is now ready for occupation. Our client is just waiting to come in. Where I will show you the exterior door. This is the back porch. You'll be able to go to the outside areas. It is very well done. You can see we have a good solid door here, very heavy, and we have used the opaque glasses to ensure that there's no need of curtain rods in this project, so that in the doors, so that you cannot have a hindrance going to this. The tiles that we have here, you can see we have the ceramic tiles. This is not granite. This is ceramic tiles, and this ensures that our budget is very good, so that our client can be able to have the project complete. So if you don't want to do the granite, it can be done later on. We just come and remove this. Within a day's notice, we have already finished the removal of these tiles, and we have the granite. So you can come, we see the bedroom areas. We see what we have in terms of the finishes. We have a common toilet here. You can come and see the common toilet. This is the toilet has already been fitted. These are the Fresian toilets that we usually tell you. Very well done. It comes with its own sink. You can see we have the sink here. It's written Fresian. Now this is the type of toilet that we say. It comes together. The cost of this toilet is around 13,000 shillings, and this is what we have in our quotation. It comes with somewhere to put your toothbrush here. You have the hanging areas, and you have a very beautiful tap that comes together with these fittings. And you can see the shower. We have a very good Lorenzetti shower this is good. It has a lot of water. So this is the client who added this. We are not quoted for this. We had the smaller Lorenzetti showers, but now the client's choice was to have the 2-bedroom. We usually have one in the master and here we would have done the smaller one, but now the client was okay with that. You can see the amount of window and lightings that you're having. You can see this glass is opaque, so somebody taking a shower cannot get any issues. For right now, we have not yet put on the lights, that's why, but you can see it is very well lit. We can see the first bedroom, which is not ensuite. This is the master bedroom. You can see how big this bedroom is. Very big. You can see even where I am right now. It is a very big space. You can see the amount of lighting that is coming from this place. This place, it is very closed in terms of space. We don't have, you can see the fence is right there, but you can see the amount of light that is coming into this place. Yes, for the lightings, you can see the bulbs that we have for the bedrooms. These are the bulbs that we usually have. They usually light, they have a lot of light, but not as the other one. But you know, in the bedroom spaces, you may not need a lot of light. This is very good. You can see we have supplemented with some downlighters, which are very well placed, and this ensures that once you are putting on the lights and putting off, you can be able to have this one lighting by itself, or you can have the downlighters lighting. The curtain rods, the client went with the black ones, and you can see this color. I know most people have started wondering what color do we have in this project. You can see it's a very beautiful color. I have not yet done this in any other project, but it is a simple color that is very good for all the rooms, and yeah, it is very beautiful. It will be now the client's choice in terms of the color. Our cabinetries, we want to show you how our cabinets looks like. We have the foldable areas. These are the foldable areas. These are the hanging areas, you can see, and we have very big places where you put your socks and everything. Very well done. You can see even the lipping has been done very well. We have these handles, the silver ones, and for the hinges we have the Malfa hydraulic hinges. This ensures that the doors, they lock very well. And this type of board, this is a particle board. A particle board, this is usually by it is lighter than the MDF board and the other boards that we usually use. That's why it will not give a lot of strain to our Malfa hinges. It ensures that it stays for a longer time because it is not affected by the weight that comes with them. So we have just finished with the cabinetries. Now I want to show you the master bedroom, how it looks like. Before we get to our master bedroom, you can see the type of doors that we have. These are the laminated doors. These laminated doors, they ensure that even if you pour water on this door, it is very laminated. It's a mahogany laminate. It ensures that water does not affect this door. We have it in the bathrooms, and we have it on all the other areas. And the type of lock, we have a very good lock here that is usually fitted on this door, and this is a semi-solid door. So come in, we see the master bedroom. It is not so big compared to the other bedroom because of the children. This is just for the parent only. And you can see the amount of lights, the lighting that is coming in. The lighter, the mini has been done, the curtain rods. You can see the down lighters have already been done. We have shown you the bulbs that we are having. You can see this space. They wanted to have mainly the areas for hanging. That's what the client had chosen. We are not yet finished with the cabinetries. They'll be done because we are remaining a week or two before we finish. You can see now we are saying this room is ensuite. You can come and see. We have the toilet. You can see the sink. We have a very good glass there. This is the glass that usually do normally. It's just a 600 by 600 glass, just for you to see yourself. You can see the sink that comes together with the Fresian toilet, and this is the shower area. So our client, if they would want to do a cubicle, they can do a cubicle later, or if it's maybe it's just the rod, you have your curtain, you can do it later. But you see, it is a very good space. The amount of lighting that is coming from this space is very good. Even this bedroom is very big. So I think now the whole house is complete. We have finished everything on this project, and yeah, very beautiful. You can see the project is complete. We have finished everything. Now we are just remaining a day or two of cleanups, final touches, the cabinets to be finished here to ensure that water is running and we don't have any leakages in the project, and this will tell us that now we are off and we leave our client to be able to finish the project. So the one thing that we are leaving our client is, this is a hidden roof project that needs a lot of maintenance. So we're able to ensure that we don't have leaves that are coming on top of the ceiling of the mabatis. We don't have children playing and throwing stones above and balls and everything. All those things ensures that our drainage, the gutter is not blocked. It is free from any hindrances, and it ensures that our water flow for this house will be very good and will not have issues. If you don't do your maintenance, if you don't ensure that these areas are clean, it will tell us that one day we will come to have areas that have leakages in the house, and that is not what we will want. So we are happy for the client giving us this job for us to finish this project, and we are hoping to see you at another project. Thank you very much.